about how do we get Copilot to automate things for us. And a good thing to know is that there are low no code platforms like Power Automate that support Copilot. So if you have a need to or want to save attachments from your inbox and put them into a OneDrive folder and then email you a summary in a week, or pull action items out of them and send it to your Outlook task list, you can do that, right? If you have Copilot and you go to Power Automate, tell it what you're looking for, and it will help you to build that workflow in Power Automate to achieve kind of what you're looking for. That way, uh, it well, I should say that is one way to make automation for AI easily accessible to those of us that aren't going to go out and build a full-on AI chatbot that says run financial reports for 2024.